Jai Sri Swaminarayan. So right now I am in front of the Swaminarayan, which is located in Ayodhya. So let's see the view of Swaminarayan temple, which is one of the most popular temple and the ancient temple of Swaminarayan home when he shifted from Chapia Dham to Ayodhya. So let's see the view of the Swaminarayan temple and let's go to it.
So this was originally home of Swami Narayan, who shifted to Ayodhya from Chapia Dham, which is present time located in Gonda district 60 km away from here. So which is the birthplace of the Swami Narayan, who was born as Ghanshyam Pandey on Ram Navami during the birth anniversary of the Sri Ram on the same anniversary also. So this temple has fully carved idols of Radha Krishna Deva and Hare Krishna Maharaj also. So and he left his home of the age of 11, named Nilkant Varni, adopted as a travel name and from Ayodhya only. So after that he travelled so many sacred places in India such as the Kedarnath, Badrinath, Mansarovar, Kailash, Guptkashi, Muktinath, and in Nepal he met with the Ran Bahadur Shah and cured him from the stomach pain. So after that he also travelled the Puri Jagannath temple, Rameswaram, Nasik, Dwarka and Pandharpur. So last time he visited in Gujarat and he met with the Muktanand Swami in Lodge, Junagadh district, and then after that he met with the Ramanand Swami, and Muktanand Swami was a senior disciple of the Ramanand Swami. In 1800 he was initiated into the Udhan Sampradaya by his guru Swami Ramanand and was named Sahajanand Swami.
Jai Sri Nilkant Varni Swaminarayan Ghanshyam Pandey. So right now I am in Swaminarayan temple, which is the second home of the Swaminarayan Ghanshyam Pandey, who shifted from Chapia Dham village, which is located in Gonda, to Ayodhya. So let's see, this is the view of Swaminarayan temple, which was the residence of the Swaminarayan. So let's see, the view of this temple is also really so amazing. We can see the view, how it is the view of this temple. Really it's a very unique amazing temple. So after coming inside this temple, I am also feeling so good. And this temple is running from the, we know very well about the Bab Sri Swaminarayan temple, which is one of the most popular organization from Gujarat, Bab Sri Swaminarayan. So even we also know that very well, one of the most popular temple also established in Abu Dhabi in UAE, that is by Bab Sri Swaminarayan only, which is one of the organization of Gujarat. And even Akshardham temple is also dedicated to Swaminarayan, which is also belong from the Bab Sri Swaminarayan. So this is the view of this temple. Let's go to get me and Bolu Jai
So
Swaminarayan.
BAPS stand for Bochasan Vasi Sri Akshardham Purushottam Swami Narayan Sanstha is a social spiritual sanstha revealed by Swami Narayan and established in 1907 by Shastri Maharaj Ji. So after that the Akshardham temple in Delhi, which also inspired by the Yogi Ji Maharaj and created by Pramukh Swami Maharaj and constructed by the BAPS. Even the BAPS Swami temple, which is also established in the Abu Dhabi, which is also dedicated to Swami Narayan Ghanshyam Maharaj Pandey and Nilkant Varni. So which is located in USA, also recently built, one of the most popular Hindu temple in Akshardham. So bolo Swami Narayan.